Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. This is the baby steps series, so we're going to be doing Python for complete beginners, and today I'm going to focus on string formatting. There's a couple of ways you can do this. I think there's about 3 ways, but one of the other ways that I'm not going to do is too old. So I'm going to do 2 of the most popular ways. So let's start off with a variable called phrase, and I'm going to just say something like hello Joe. So that's our phrase, and now we're going to print it out, and we're going to use this form of formatting. So we'll use the F there, and then we're going to type in phrase there, like that. Okay, we're going to save that, and we're going to run it. There we go, hello Joe. Okay, we're going to go on to the next one, which is still quite popular. I still use it. I think it's good to know both of them as well, so I'm going to start off here, and we're going to do that, and that's going to be format, and then we're going to put in the phrase here. So let's just save that, and let's just run it. So there you go, that's the second method. Like I say, there are 1 or 2 other methods, but I don't use those. I think they're a little bit outdated these days. So those are the 2 most popular ones. I hope you found that interesting, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.